Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are in Memphis, Tennessee at Elvis Presley's Graceland. This is where he moved after becoming a huge music star, and now it is a big tourist destination for tons of people. And tonight is the opening of the Christmas light event that happens once a year. I'm gonna flip this camera right now, and right across the street is Graceland with all of the lights. And as you can hear in the background, we have some live music by Chase Bryant going on right now. Now, something you might not know, whenever I was a kid, I played Elvis in a television series that came on ABC television. It was a little mini-series about Elvis's life. It had me, Michael St. Gerard, Millie Perkins, as well as a few other actors and actresses. So I spent some time here in Graceland and getting to see it because I wanted to see more about the history of Elvis. But it has been forever since I've been back to Graceland. So this is really cool. Now, Hallmark Channel actually just did a movie called Christmas at Graceland, and they are premiering it tonight. So we're gonna see if we might can get in. Red carpet treatment. This is such a cool little area. You got Christmas lights everywhere. You're hearing accents from all over the world because of one man from Tupelo, Mississippi that decided that he was going to be a musician and take the world by storm. And just Christmas lights everywhere. Pictures of the man himself right up here. It's just so cool. And knowing that I have a small little piece in all of the craziness that is Elvis, that's kind of fun.
The Graceland Performing Arts Camp is so much more.
So we are about to watch the world premiere of Christmas in Graceland, which was filmed here in Graceland in Memphis, Tennessee.
Christmas at Graceland Home for the Holidays is part of our 10th anniversary of Countdown to Christmas. And I'm sure you guys have been having Hallmark on all season already. We started pretty early.
For being here tonight. I just want to acknowledge a few people. I'm going to make this pretty quick because I haven't seen the movie yet, so I'm pretty excited to see it. And it's been a while since I turned in my cut, and so I'm really excited to see it. Again, I want to echo what Samantha said. Thank you to everybody at Graceland Elvis Presley Enterprises.
I'm just going to do a quick little video. These guys were amazing on the new Hallmark movie. Y'all make sure to check it out. Quick shot real quick.
What's up? Oh, we're on video.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm a YouTuber, so.
Oh, heck yeah, man. Thanks for coming.
Hey, man, thank you so much. Hey, I heard you earlier. You sounded great. Yes. So that was really a whole bunch of fun and kind of unexpected. Came here to see the Christmas lights at Graceland. Ended up getting to go to a world premiere of a new Hallmark movie for Graceland called Christmas at Graceland. And as you can see, we got the Graceland sign right back here. Had an amazing time, got to meet Chase Bryant, and also got to meet a few of the children that were in the new movie. So guys, If you will, please make sure to subscribe. Also, like and comment on this video. And make sure to check out the description for all my social media links. But guys, I got to hit the road. I got to take my mom back home. Anyway, guys, on to the next stop.